Hello and welcome. If you've seen my videos the past few weeks, you probably noticed a little thing in the corner here where we have a little water filter. I want to share that with you today because we love it. And we love the VonWater brand. They've been very responsive. We had a little issue and they solved it very quickly. We have been using water from this device, I want to go say 6 weeks. And the water is, you can just tell it tastes better. It's crisper, it's cleaner, it feels good in your mouth. This is kind of cool. This is the pitcher. It doesn't cool the water. It just filters the water. And then this is the spigot. Let's see if I can show that to you. Pretty cool. Now what we do is we take this water and we put it into water bottles and we stick those into the refrigerator to have nice ice cold water. It does, you do need to plug it in, of course, and then the filter is in here, and they say that, or some crazy amount, and so far it's like I said, it's been weeks and weeks, and we don't taste, it tastes so much better than the tap water here in Texas. So that's easy to get to fill it up. What'll happen is it takes water out, puts water back. It's part of the osmosis, I guess. I'm no scientist here, but this will get down to about here and it'll start screaming for more water. So you have to take this water and dump it out and then come back and fill this up to, there's a maximum line that's written right on here for you to see very easily. There's a groove on the back of the unit and a slot on the back of the container. You see that right there? And that just marries up really nice. It goes right down in there and it goes back to filtering. So I wanted to show you some of the controls. All right, so there are several controls on the front of this unit, and the main thing is telling you the particles and everything. And if you press this water button twice, it'll just start spitting out water. Press it again, and it stops. But it also has presets. And it's volumetric, so that this will let a little more, and that's the one we use to fill up our water bottles. And you press the preset, and then you have to press the water thing again. This just keeps you from forgetting it's on and letting it go out. So the water's coming from in here, so as this water's being used, you can hear the unit, it's trying to filter, it's not going to keep up, it never does. I'm going to go ahead and stop this. So other than just being probably some of the best tasting water I've ever had, it kind of looks nice on the counter, like I said, and it's real dependable. It's kind of convenient. I really like it, and I tell you what, I will buy another one because the water is that much better. I really like this VonWater filter system. I think you will too. Thank you for watching.